Welcome back to my channel. We're going to make these adorable, fun puppets. What we're going to need are construction paper, bond paper, glue gun, glue, cotton, black marker, scissors, googly eyes! They sound like maracas. Going to show you two kinds of puppets. A finger puppet and an animal puppet. First, we're going to do the finger puppet. The finger puppet is very easy. You just have to fold it in half. Make sure they're even. Then we're going to fold the corners. Again, make sure they're even. Because mine are not even. Then we're going to fold the bottom. Then we're going to fold the corners. This. Then we're going to turn it like a big diamond. Then we're going to fold. Then I'm going to fold the bottom and turn it into a triangle. And we're going to make it a small triangle, just like we did. This. Like you're making it go. And it talks. Now we're going to make the face. We're going to add the eyes and the tongue. Ta-da! Hello! There you have it. This is how you make the finger puppet. As you can see, it's very simple. But you can add different things like eyelashes, teeth, mustache, ears, and eyebrows. We're going to make the animal puppet. So first you fold it like this. Then you fold it again. Now we're going to add glue. Just add a tiny bit of glue so your paper won't fit overflow. Look how close pala! going to be like a beach. Like that. And then do the other side. Just make sure it has a hole so you can stick your hand. Like this. Now we're done with the animal puppet. We're actually going to do the bunny. So I already prepared. The ears. The nose. The eyes. I don't know what this is, but I know it's called muscle. Or I know it's at the cheek. Now it's time to assemble the bunny. Of course, the bunny wouldn't be completed without its bushy tail. Here. Here. Now it has a bushy tail. So these are all the puppets that I made. We have a kitty, a puppet from England, bunnies, and I don't know what this is, a pig or a bear. I don't know. Someone's here to talk to you. Hello, do you fancy tea puppets? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week for another DIY surprise. Bye! They're going to Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week for another DIY surprise. I have a joke.
What?
How do you wake up Lady Gaga?
How?
You poker face. Sorry.